Welcome to Dr. Gathimba Education Center. Have you ever wondered how buildings withstand natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes? How do they manage to stay standing while the earth shakes beneath them or the wind howls around them? Welcome. Today, we delve into the world of civil and structural engineering, the unsung heroes of our modern world. Our journey begins with the core principles of civil and structural engineering. This is the foundation upon which all other knowledge in this field rests. These principles include the understanding of forces, materials, and how they interact. We explore the concept of equilibrium, the delicate balance that allows structures to remain stable. We also delve into the fascinating world of material science, investigating the strengths and weaknesses of different building materials and how these can be exploited in engineering designs. Next, we transition into the realm of structural analysis. This is where mathematics and physics come together to predict how structures will behave under various loads and conditions. Here, we discuss concepts such as stress and strain, bending moments, and shear forces. We also uncover the importance of safety factors in engineering designs, ensuring not just the stability, but the longevity and safety of our structures. From there, we journey into the world of design. This is where creativity meets practicality. We examine the process of transforming theoretical concepts into tangible structures. We discuss the importance of considering both function and aesthetics in design, and how engineers work with architects to create structures that are not only safe and efficient, but also visually pleasing. We then shift gears to the exciting frontier of sustainable engineering. Here, we explore how engineers are working to reduce the environmental impact of their designs. We discuss innovative materials and construction techniques, energy-efficient design principles, and the role of civil and structural engineers in the fight against climate change. Finally, we take a look at the future of civil and structural engineering. We talk about emerging technologies like 3D printing and autonomous construction robots, the rise of smart buildings, and the exciting potential of new materials like graphene and self-healing concrete. In summary, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of civil and structural engineering. We've explored the core principles that govern the field, delved into the intricacies of structural analysis and design, examined the exciting frontier of sustainable engineering, and looked to the future of the profession. We've seen how engineers use their knowledge and skills to create structures that are not only functional and beautiful, but also resilient and sustainable. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay curious, stay inspired, and remember, the world around you is a marvel of engineering. Every bridge you cross, every building you enter, is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of civil and structural engineers. Until next time.